How to make Reuben sandwich at home. To make a delicious Reuben sandwich at home, you will need the following ingredients: rye bread, corned beef, sauerkraut, Swiss cheese, Thousand Island dressing, butter. Here's how to assemble the sandwich. 1. Heat a skillet over medium heat. 2. Butter one side of each slice of rye bread. 3. Place one slice of bread, buttered side down, in the skillet. 4. Add a layer of corned beef on top of the bread. 5. Add a layer of sauerkraut on top of the corned beef. 6. Add a layer of Swiss cheese on top of the sauerkraut. 7. Spread a generous amount of Thousand Island dressing on the other slice of bread. 8. Place the second slice of bread, Thousand Island dressing side down, on top of the Swiss cheese. 9. Grill the sandwich for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the cheese is melted and the bread is golden brown. 10. Remove the sandwich from the skillet and let it cool for a few minutes before slicing in half. Enjoy your homemade Reuben sandwich. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.